After going through the lessons in this course, we hope that you've grown in understanding AI, specifically generative AI, and how it can benefit your business.
As you may recall, generative AI requires a lot of data and good prompts to provide and generate content. By understanding its potential and limitations, you can actually begin to incorporate it through a variety of generative AI services online confidently.
These include text, images, video, and audio through online services. Using the links in these lessons can help you find guides for some of these tools. Also, don't forget to visit smallbusinessprompts.com to explore the directory to achieve some exciting results that can help transform your business.
Now, while we explore the incredible things AI can do, being aware of the risk of misinformation, plagiarism, biased content, and privacy weighs into, well, how we use it. It's best to use what is generated as starting concepts and still have humans tweak and improve. Consult legal professionals or experts to really ensure compliance with laws and regulations when implementing AI into your business.
The landscape of this technology is changing rapidly, and numerous entities from big tech to universities and smaller startups are rushing to innovate, implement, and market.
Resist the temptation to be first to market and focus on staying knowledgeable through the list of new sites and resources we provided. Watch your competitors and influencers for creative ideas and how they're implementing generative AI.
We've only just scratched the surface, and new exciting developments are happening daily. We hope this course has helped you get up to speed.
AI can do wonders for small businesses like yours. It's time to explore the impressive tech and improve your processes, planning, and output.